Yeah, boss, you tune them a shot road, you know. No, man. Yeah, word, man. Big up liftthepartyja.com, you know. Huh? I said just big up liftthepartyja.com.
Who?
Liftthepartyja.
I mean, say lift the party. You know, sponsor Babylon because my peace. Watch everything that we do. Sit down and plan up to kill you. Rastafari is the Almighty. I don't know, it's standing to present you. Protege, Kabaka Pyramid, Kelisa, and Bessa. The over evil thing.
Protege, my boss. You know, it's a website where I promote still. We deal with dancehall and reggae music. And as well, I say, so we just want you big up Lift the Party J.
Make a move from the source.
Yeah, as I said still, we just want you big up Lift the Party J.
Lift the party?
Lift the Party J.
And me say, who them a program? I coulda who them a young girl have them iPad. Who them a program? Who in pharmacy down and a spy pan. Them know in a protege representing lifttheparty.com, you know.
Lift the Party J.
What you say? You can edit up that part there.
Yeah, man.
This whole thing over my channel.
Just big up Lift the Party J.
Yeah, you know, sir, Lift the Party J, you know. And now we say music and more music, you know. You dig? So the J-I-I-I.
Listen about more strength.